What's up, guys? It's your girl Di, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how I do a do-it-yourself gel manicure at home. These are the products I'm using from Madam Glam, the gel polish, and then I'm using these hearts from Amazon. And the first thing I do is go in and push my cuticles back. And you do see me kind of like maybe do it more than a few times. And that's just because I'm kind of just trying to scrape up that dead skin. Now what I'm doing here is cutting off the dead skin on my cuticles. Now, I don't know, sometimes I don't think you need to do this every step, but mine looked pretty bad, so I did go in and cut those. Right here, I'm just taking off the shine on my nails and kind of getting up that dead skin and stuff like that around the cuticle and cleaning up in that area as, you know, I take off the shine also. Now, I know I'm not doing like an acrylic or anything, but I still like to take the shine off of the nail so that the base coat does have a good, you know, layer to stick to. After you remove the shine, you want to make sure you go in, dust the nails, use some type of dehydrator, which would be my swipe from Young Nails. Take a no limp wipe and cleanse the nails with that. Then I go in with my Madam Glam base coat gel and apply base coat to each one of the nails. After I apply it, I'm going to put it in a lamp and let it cure for at least 30 seconds. Now, after I cured the base coat for 30 seconds, I can go in with my polish. And I did put the polishes right here on camera so you guys could see that I wipe both sides before I apply it. And that's because you don't want to have the gel polish just flooding all over the skin. And I still got some on my skin, just trying to get a good coverage and just kind of get it close to the cuticle area, but that's not a problem because right after this you'll see me go in and clean up each nail. Okay, so like I was saying, you definitely want to clean up the area where the polish has gotten on the skin. And what I use is a cleanup brush and some acetone, but I know some people use swipe and they use alcohol also. It just depends on your preference. And you want to clean up that area before you put the nails in the light and cure it for 30 seconds. This is how the nails look after I do my first coat and I cure them for 30 seconds. And I'm just going in with my second coat here. And then, like I said, guys, you want to kind of wipe off each side of your brush. You don't want this polish to be getting all over the skin excessively. But, you know, if you do get it on the skin, just go in like I did and use your cleanup brush. Alright guys, this is how they look after the second coat. It's cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my IBD gel top coat. This is the only top coat that I use. I highly recommend this top coat because if I do anything like stickers or gel polish or whatever I decide to do, this top coat ensures that my client's nails come back the same way they did when they left. So you just want to make sure you're using a nice little amount of the top coat. You don't want to go in and wipe both sides off. I'll say wipe one side if you just opened up the bottle. And then, you know, just make sure you're applying a good amount to each nail. And then I just went in with these little hearts that I purchased from Amazon. And I'm just putting them on into the top coat because this top coat is on the more thick side, which I love because when I'm not trying to do like a, you know, acrylic set, or I'm just trying to, you know, quickly get a set done without having to encapsulate, this comes in handy. I went in and cured my top coat for 30 seconds, and I'm just going in with a second coat so that I can encapsulate that middle nail with the hearts. And that's it, guys. Just add your cuticle oil, and that's how I do a do-it-yourself manicure or DIY. And that is it, guys. If you made it to the end of this video, please thumbs up, comment down below when you're subscribed, and make sure you are subscribing so that you don't miss daily videos and my cash giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching my do-it-yourself video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.